Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to stake Ethereum on Binance. First, open up your Binance account and click here on Earn. Click on Ethereum. For this video, I am going to choose the ETH staking option, which is of fixed type, and it gives this many returns. Click here on Subscribe. Then click on Stake ETH. Type in the amount of Ethereum you want to stake and click here on Stake. Once you click on Stake, you will get something like this. Simply just check all the boxes and click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, you will have successfully staked Ethereum on Binance. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.